Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the garden meets the level requirement and that the lightning rod is unlocked. This saves backtracking. Next, gather the listed materials: 10 copper, 5 fiber, and 2 storm shards. Those storm shards are the critical conductor component. Once you have materials, place the foundation near open sky where lightning can strike. Make sure there are no tall buildings or trees blocking the arc. This first step gets you into the build state quickly and prevents wasted materials. Once done with placement, craft the rod at your bench using the blueprint and the collected parts. Crafting requires a short timer, so stay nearby. When assembling in World, orient the tip toward open sky and leave at least 1 tile clearance so strikes register. This improves strike frequency. Make sure you connect the rod to a ground conduit or power storage within 3 tiles so captured energy is usable. If you do these steps deliberately, you'll convert strikes into usable charge instead of losing potential. Finish by monitoring strike events for a few in-game days and confirm the rod flashes when hit. That confirms functionality. If strike rate seems low, upgrade nearby infrastructure or reinforce mounting to increase visibility and durability, because game mechanics wait unobstructed sky access. If the rod never registers strikes, troubleshoot. Make sure there's true sky access with no roof or tall objects, and verify the conduit connection to your power storage. Reconnecting or moving the rod 1 or 2 times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.